Hello guys, it's Justin here from Just in Time, and today I'm here with... Come on Tigo, say your name. Well, never mind, Mr. Master 2000 is going to stand there. Minecraft version 1.8 plus English in the US. Required resource pack, the end is extremely nigh. Adventure mode, hard difficulty, rules, brightness, bright. Hunter, rifle, bullets, light armor, some food, choose class. I'm gonna choose the hunter, are you gonna choose the guard?
Slash class, guard.
Oh, we have a merchant, machete money, lots of food, and a doctor.
But how do you,
This sucks.
guard? I was guard, so I'm guard.
I'm gonna look them down.
Holy shit!
Wait,
Full
why
iron.
did you...
I got full iron and a lot of slowness potions.
I have hunter.
Okay, no.
Holy hell, I've got lots of instant damage and food.
Okay, start. Are you gonna click on start?
What?
I click on start.
I've got some free rotten flesh.
In 2013.
No, why did you do that, you stupid motherfucker? I didn't say anything. Okay, in 2014 a nuclear war occurred, forcing a large amount of surviving population to relocate to underground manifestations in search of refuge from the outside world. At first things went well. There was peace trade between stations, but a few years later the stations began to be attacked by mutated creatures who live in ravaged surface, and things got bad quickly. One thing that Tigo, I can't I can't hit you. I've got PvP, not an level. Today we are on my own server.
I'm Daniel and you're Gianna. Lol.
What do you get? Hey. What do you get? Look, gasoline. What do you get when you right click on Daniel? I got arrows.
What? For emeralds you can get. Dude, I got some. But you can't do that. And this then.
Here. You must go first because you are like the tank. Hey, me too! You stupid faggot.
Welcome to Silent Hole. We're just gonna look. You got a bow, and I don't. So here's David for some arrows. That's handy for you. This is also arrows, but they're all sold out. Here a chest. Oh, I found some paper.
I've got some coal.
I got 7 paper.
I got some paper, feather, morphine, and a lighter.
Oh, morphine. Do you got more morphines? Yeah,
morphine is just pumpkin pie.
I got a lighter.
Me too.
Yeah.
Did you? No, you stupid faggot.
I also got a bandage.
I got a pineapple, bandages, box, and bullets.
I got baseball.
Can I get a baseball? I need something to like.
I only got 1, but I have some sticks. Can you build in this map?
Wait.
Here, you can get this from me. That's all I want to give. I'm just a stupid little boy.
Yeah,
Joseph. Who's Joseph? You also got sold out. I got some garlic and I got a sack. And I got a box.
Wait, you see what I just got? Look what I just got.
How? How did you get that? Did you just cheat?
No. No.
God, you are so faggot.
No, only the merchant can get this. So I think it's good that we do this too, because only the merchant can get like a pickaxe. So it's good.
Okay.
Those are
Looking
gasoline blocks. No, just kidding. No, what are you gonna do?
Gonna look at right here. I got some melons. Melon.
You're breaking. You stupid fat. No, just kidding.
I got some melons, and I found a chest. Again, I'm just a loader here. I got a med kit, and that's a melon. What the fuck?
I got
Just-
some more coal.
What the fuck? Now all my melons are called med kits. Yeah, med kit power.
My
You
melons
can
are.
eat
Well,
med
I have
kits.
8 medkits and 20 melons.
Whoa.
Oh, cake. Oh yeah, it's easy mode. I forgot to say it's easy mode.
You needed to set it on hard mode, right?
I
Oh, the
can't now
doors are
because if I
blocked.
do that, then I have to restart the server again.
Why?
Because then just have to do that.
Okay, then we don't do
Do
that.
you have another melee weapon?
No, I only have this one. But I have some arrows for you, bullets. You can just go from far and kill all the zombies.
No, they're mutants.
Marketplace. Hey, more emerald. Wow, Jesus.
No.
Wow, guy. Wow. Why? I could make a base.
This one is much better.
Nah.
Well, yeah. Just gonna
Nah.
Yes.
No. No.
Do you like a faggot princess? Do you like a faggot princess with a
There's-
big head? More?
They're standing a sign here. Sink, suffer, self-destruct, rise, stronger, reconstruct.
What?
Sink, suffer, self-destruct, rise, stronger, and reconstruct.
I'm gonna steal their money.
Go for the money. They're all sold out. All that you can't even buy the arrows.
Nah, but I have enough arrows. You know why? I have 3 stacks of arrows and a little bit more.
Wow, that a little bit more from me.
No, because you don't
I
have any
said-
bow.
I said muy. That's
Muy.
just sounding so weird. Where
Found
do
a
we need
secret
to?
entrance
Where?
here.
I'll come. Are there zombies outside?
I think.
Are you?
Here.
I don't see you.
But I'm just here.
Where? Say
I'm
it.
freaking here. I'm behind you.
Where?
Here.
Oh, there.
In a trash can.
Yeah, I see you. Yeah.
See, no PvP.
I'll follow you. Shooting
By the
range.
way, I'm setting some splash potions. You see?
I got a lot of.
No, oh god, no. Creepers.
I think we could better leave this place.
Yeah, but I have.
Get that thing away! You
no,
gotta pick it.
no, it's from the map. I can't do it away.
Oh shit. We can better
Game
just
mode, creative.
set one block here, then we can go through again. Where are you?
Now I'm gonna do this.
Whoa, Jesus. That.
We have to go here.
Oh, here. Hey, you know that? What?
We have to go here. Quick, come.
Where? I don't see you. You get on that place? Cause
I hear a lot.
with zombies? Oh, I see you. Oh, you were up here, but I can't get in.
Hello, Ben.
Can you please let me in? Are you still in creative?
No.
But I don't see you. On the-
Seriously, gosh, you suck.
But yeah, I do see you, but how do I get in there? Oh, I see it. But the other one was closed, so I thought I couldn't get. Fuck off, you.
But guys, I'm gonna make this videos only for 10 minutes, cause Tycho has to go in a few minutes, so this episode's only 10 minutes. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode.